Best Kitchen Faucet Aerator Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular tap aerators in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll also share with you some of the features of what makes this kitchen faucet aerator so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this tap aerator. The one that made our list is the Water Nymph 2-Flow Kitchen Sink Aerator. This specially designed device offers two flows you can choose from soft bubble stream to strong spray. It features a 360-degree rotating swivel, and it can be fitted to kitchen faucets, bathroom taps, and more. By installing this device, it helps you save up to 70% more water as compared to using just a standard bubbler. This device is easy to install and instantly enhances the look of your faucet. To check out the full specs of the Water Nymph 2-Flow Kitchen Sink Aerator and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/Faucet Aerator. Here's a quick demo clip of this sink aerator. So there you have it, the Water Nymph 2-Flow Sink Aerator. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the device, and how much water it can help you save, we feel that this tool is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Water Nymph 2-Flow Kitchen Sink Aerator and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/Faucet Aerator. Alright, thank you for watching.